Hi there! So here's the much awaited True Wireless Earphones 2. Wow, I'm super excited. Firstly, because this is the first device I got my hands on since the lockdown, and secondly, this is Xiaomi's answer to the AirPods. So without wasting any time, let's unbox it, let's have a closer look and see how well they perform. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. So here is the retail packaging of the Mi Earphones 2. On the top of the box it says 14.2 mm powerful dynamic driver, environmental noise cancelling, works with voice assistant and easy one-step pairing. Down here is the picture of the earphones. On the back are some specifications and pricing. The MRP on the box is 5,499, but currently you can get these for 3,999. Alright, let's open these. Inside the box are the earphones with charging case, a USB to USB-C charging cable, and some paperwork. Let's have a closer look at the earphones. So firstly, the case is really soft, nice matte finish, looks really premium. Flip open the top to remove the earphones. The hinge is pretty snappy, nice and clicky. When you open them, you can see them move back slowly. Kind of looks nice. There is an LED light in front that will show you when it's charging. On the side is a small button that you press while pairing. At the bottom is a USB-C charging port. Alright, time to remove the earphones. So these are held in with magnets so that they don't fall even if you turn the case upside down. Okay, let's see the earphones. The build quality seems quite nice. The stems are really thick though, but they aren't round, they are oval in shape, which actually makes them look slimmer from the side. The black dots you see are the infrared sensors, so when you remove these from your ears, they pause and they resume when you wear them back. Below here are the charging terminals and the mic. There is a secondary mic on the top for noise cancelling during phone calls. They actually seem pretty light. The earphones weigh 9 grams each and the case weighs in at 50 grams. So this should be light and very easy to carry in your pocket. Alright, let's pair these. I'm using the Poco X2 for this demo. So flip open the cover and a pop-up on the display. Just like the AirPods. Wow. Let's click on connect. And there you're done. This is how it actually should be done on all earphones. But this pairing process is restricted to Xiaomi phones running MIUI 11 and above only. It shows you battery percentage of the case and each individual earphones. Alright, let's pair these with another Android phone and see. You flip the cap open and no pop-up. Then you press the button on the side and then you go to the Bluetooth menu and you will see the Mi Bluetooth wireless earphones. Click on it and you're done. You can follow the same pairing process with the iPhone and they work equally well. Alright, let's see how well they fit. Oh, so the moment I put them in, there was a ting sound confirming that it's paired and turned on. Wow, that's actually great. Okay, so they hold on pretty well. They feel like just like the AirPods, not the Pro ones, the original AirPods. They don't seal the ear canal, which I really love. They feel perfectly set. They're light, they're comfortable. I haven't worn them for a long time, so obviously I cannot comment on how comfortable they're going to be in the long run. I'll reserve that opinion for the final review. Alright, it's time to check the music quality. Wow, that was actually very nice. I can understand why Xiaomi is talking so much about the driver size because it makes a huge difference. So firstly, they get really loud. The bass hits just the right sweet spots. Not too much that gives you a headache, but not missing the punch. The mids and highs are sharp and crisp. The bass is not crazy deep, it's just clean and soft. I'm an AirPods user and the bass is not the strongest point. Similarly, these two hit the right chords. The sound quality I can say is genuinely impressive. I tested the tap gestures and they seem to work really fine. You can go to the previous track, next track, pause, play, and even launch the Google Voice Assistant if you're using an Android. and even a Siri if you're using an iPhone. But when you remove these from your ears, the music stops playing, like right now, and when I put it back in my ear, the music resumes. So these features aren't new, but what's good is that they work very well each time, and that's what makes them really good. Moving to phone call quality. Now Xiaomi had spoken about environmental noise cancelling at the launch. So don't confuse these for music noise cancelling. These are strictly restricted to phone calls, and they did a brilliant job. The call quality was amazing. The opposite person couldn't make out that I wasn't using the phone. Unfortunately, I couldn't test these outdoors because of the lockdown, but I did turn on the TV in the background while I was on a call, and still the other person didn't know. The environmental noise cancelling is much needed if you want to use these for phone calls. And trust me, that makes all the difference between a good earphone or a bad earphone. And these are amazing when it comes to phone calls. Coming to the battery. Now Xiaomi claims 4 hours of music playback on a single charge with these, and 14 hours in total with this case. Now I just got these, so obviously I can't confirm that. Definitely will talk about that in my full review. So here are my initial impressions. Build quality, good. Fit, quite good. Sound quality, very good. Phone call quality, excellent. Price, could have been lower, but I still think that they justify the price because of the phone quality and the sound quality. Now I know why Xiaomi was late to launch this. Probably they wanted to get it right, and it did in most of the departments. I'd also like to cover these for gaming and video audio delay. I will do that in my full review. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you better do that right away. I can easily recommend these to you if you're looking for a good truly wireless earphones. Currently they're selling for a special price of 3,999. That is only up to 17th of May. Post that, it's going to be 4,499. It's a good time to get your hands on them. I'll leave the links below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, do check it out. Also, if there are any questions, do mention them down in the comments. I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.